Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a place you visited where the air was polluted. You should say, where the place is, when you visited it, why the air was not good, and explain how you felt about the place. The Indian city, New Delhi, was one location I visited with extremely dirty air. In addition to seeing some well-known sites like India Gate, Qutub Minar, and Connaught Place, I went there in November of last year to attend a family wedding. But as soon as I got there, I saw that the city was covered in a thick layer of haze, which made it difficult to see and made the air heavy. I could feel discomfort in my throat and eyes within hours of being outside, and the condition was most terrible in the early morning and late evening. The mix of industrial pollutants, automobile emissions, and stubble burning in neighboring states was the primary cause of the bad air quality. The problem was made worse by the cold weather, which kept contaminants near the ground during my visit in the winter. I also discovered that, particularly around Diwali, when fireworks add to the pollution, New Delhi frequently ranks among the most polluted cities in the world. I also noticed public broadcasts telling locals to stay inside as much as possible, and many people were wearing masks. It was really unsettling for me to be in this setting. I had to minimize my outdoor activities because the dirty air made breathing difficult. The long-term health effects on the city's citizens, particularly the elderly and children, also worried me. Delhi's rich culture, historical landmarks, and mouth-watering cuisine, however, made my vacation unforgettable despite the pollution. It also helped me understand how crucial it is to protect the environment and how urgently pollution control measures are needed. I became more conscious of the air quality in other cities as well as our shared need to preserve the environment as a result of the trip. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.